world ready, and we are having a great time in Feldheim today. They have 55 massive wind turbines that help create all the energy that the 130 people in this town use. It's completely sustainable. We're learning so much about it today. It's been a great experience so far. Thank you so much for bringing us here.
I'm here in Hamburg, Germany. We have been going across Germany. We have been in Munich, Berlin, and now in Hamburg. I have to say thank you very much. We were ready for this experience. It's a dream come true for me. I have learned about technology, history, a lot of things. Thank you very much for this experience. I will never forget.
We're right now in Hamburg. I have to say that it was such an amazing experience. Like, this is my first time here in Europe. This trip with Be already has been an amazing experience. We have been in a lot of historical places, Berlin. I want to recommend you to come here with Be already. It's amazing. You will love it.
We're at the Olympic Stadium from 1936. This was built. We're going to go backstage, see how the sound system works, all the technological advances. It is an exciting event to be at this place when it's not even open. We're having a great time. We've done lots of walking, but we've learned a lot.
Here in front of the Berlin Wall. It's a great opportunity to come and visit all these historic places in Germany, learn a lot more about the country and war, and then the time after the war.
We have had an amazing opportunity of see a lot of factories and also museums and incredible landscapes here in Germany. And thank you, we were ready for coordinate all this experience for us.